knows how some trees grow tall when you walk along the solitary